All right, here we got a few of our project cars that we have outside next to the shop, and we're going to touch base on a couple of them that are going to be available here.
Yeah.
This is a 73 Formula 350 4-speed car. Original blue with black deluxe interior, runs and drives. The reason it's got a different color front clip on it is this car was sitting in a shed. Basically, it was sitting in a garage that was next to a barn that burned down, and so when the fire department got there, they had actually watered down the whole car to save it. But the car, the hood, the fiberglass got all messed up on it, so we put a different hood on it and a different nose because the nose had melted a little bit. Otherwise, the rest of the car is all original. You can even see the melted mirror and stuff on it. But this car runs and drives. I have a really good dash for it that we have that goes with it. It's a numbers matching car, one owner, actually out of Nebraska here. Good, solid, rust-free car. Been sitting in storage for a long time. It's I want to say a 30-some thousand original mile car. We have a couple of 76 Trans Am project cars, so either they could be used for parts or rebuild. They're actually good, solid cars. This is one of them here, 76. This is a black 79 special edition automatic Trans Am. It runs and drives. We got this car out of St. Louis, Missouri. It obviously needs paint, but it's a numbers matching 403 automatic. Old car. It's got the black deluxe interior, T-tops. Special edition car. This one is for sale. We don't even have it on the website yet, but it's something you can contact us on. Otherwise, we'll put it up there here soon. This is one of our other 76 cars that we have. This is a 455 black on black deluxe interior 4-speed car. This car is for sale. It needs to be restored. It's car number 787. I don't know that we have it on the website yet, but if you're looking for one of these cars as a project, contact us and get you more information on it. We do have a couple of, probably 2 or 3 different gold 79 cars, T-top. I think we even have another hardtop car that are good cars to restore. They're complete, numbers matching cars. I don't know for sure if this one ran or not. This is a 4.9 liter car, but we have several of these like this. So if you're looking for a project car in a 79, we may even have some 78s. I know we have several 79s and 80s right now. All right, we have quite a few 77 special edition Smokey and the Bandit Trans Ams. So right now, right here, we got 3 of them right here for sure that are available. They all have T-tops. They're all 3 automatic cars. I think a couple of them have motors in them. A couple of them do not, or one of them doesn't. But they're good, complete cars, good option cars, good cars to restore if you're looking to build a special edition Trans Am. I'm sure that there's going to need some metal work and stuff on them. The good thing is they make all that stuff now. We also do have another 69 Firebird that is available too. It's a restorable car, or it could be a parts car, depending on what they want. This came in from a relative of mine that got it out of Missouri. And I also do have it's a gold Y88 special edition that has already had the metal work done. So it had new quarters, new tail panel put on it. We have the rebuilt motor, numbers matching, stored inside. It's actually this car right here. It's a 4-speed car. It's got good solid metal on it. Basically, it was started. A local customer that had started building it between him and his wife, and but they both came down with cancer, unfortunately, and so they had to sell the car to help pay for some medical needs. And so we got the car in. He was going to come back and get it. I have not heard from him in the last couple of years, so I don't know if it's something he's still wanting back or not, because it was kind of his baby. But anyway, white gold Y88 special edition 4-speed car, T-tops. numbers matching motors, all rebuilt and done. Transmission, good car. All the metal work's done. It's a good car for somebody to finish building. This one is available for sale too. We've got several cars here in our storage building next to the shop. We have a 72 Formula. It's original 350 car. The car's been painted. It probably would need a color sand and a respray if guy wants it really nice, but it's still good, solid car, very nice. There's no drivetrain, no interior. We're gonna actually take some additional photos of this car here probably later today or tomorrow and get this up on our website for sale. But I just wanted people to know about this car if they were looking for a good car to build this winter and restore. Up here on the lift, we have another Lucerne Blue 70 Ram Air 3 Trans Am. That one's an automatic. It's pretty well loaded, AC, blue interior. It's got all the parts there to finish it. It's been jammed. It needs to get the final paint done on the outside. I don't know when we're gonna get time to get to it unless it becomes a customer's car. Otherwise, we'll sell it as is. So if you're interested, it's not a numbers matching car, but it is very complete. Got a lot of all brand new parts, and basically the gentleman that has started it was out of Phoenix, Arizona, passed away, and it was sold out of his estate sale, and it came to us. We have a 79 10th anniversary. It's got a Butler built motor, all Hotchkiss suspension. It's got our billet 18-inch wheels on it. It's also got, I think, a 5-speed tranny and stuff in it. This is a super fun built. It's a 50,000 original mile 10th anniversary car, but the guy that we got it from had started building it, got all the parts through us. We helped with a lot of the car, and then he ended up going through some changes in his life, so we ended up with the car. We've had it for several years. It's a great car for somebody if you're looking for a 10th anniversary to have fun with. Directly underneath it is another 70 Ram Air 3 4-speed car, blue interior, numbers matching. This car is on our website currently. Dylan will get some more footage of it and showing the video, but it's on the website. It's a running and driving Ram Air 3 4-speed. It's the bright white exterior, blue stripe with the bright blue interior on it. Standard interior, numbers matching. Neat, nice car. All right, we have just a couple other projects here that I'm just touching base today on some of the cars that we have for sale, mostly project cars, and just kind of finalizing a few cars here. This is another 70 Ram Air 3 original Texas car. It's got the original wheels and stuff with it. It's a white car, blue interior, numbers matching motor. The motor is all rebuilt, sitting on a stand, ready to go back in the car. Below it over here we have a Brewster Green 73 455 4-speed car. Very rare car. It's the body off restoration was started. The gentleman I got it from is a good friend of mine out of Florida. He ended up retiring and moving away and decided it was too big of a project for him to finish, but it's a full numbers matching car, very rare Brewster Green 4-speed 455 car. We have a Buccaneer Red 73 Super Duty. This is a Texas car. This is one that I got from Dennis Collins. Motor's all done, rebuilt on a stand. We are probably going to finish this car, and you'll be able to follow along on our website, but it will be available for sale. So if somebody's looking for a Super Duty Trans Am project car, we have more than just this. Yeah. Oh, I also have, this is a one owner 77 special edition Trans Am. Still got original tires on it that are not doing so well, but anyway, it's a rust-free Iowa car that's been in storage all of its life. The gentleman, him and his wife, both were sick. The car sat in the back of their garage, never really got driven after early on in its age, I think this car's only got 20-some thousand original miles on it. He had to swerve to miss an oncoming car, hit a mailbox, and basically messed up the front bumper and the front fender, but they're all NOS parts that he put back on it. Basically needs some paint work on the front clip, the hood, the nose, the fender, and I think even that passenger door. But it's a tan interior, deluxe tan interior, automatic, 20,000 original miles, T-top car, pretty well loaded, AC. It's got all the right stuff. Neat car. It runs and drives, but it is available for sale too. Just another one we have sitting back in the storage.